every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure.
Hoy le vamos a presentar el nuevo parque que tiene la zona de Barakaldo para personas mayores, para movilidad. Hoy lo vamos a conocer.
Wrong with me, I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a pain. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Bienvenido a nuestro canal de YouTube, gracias por continuar con nosotros. Estamos en esta ocasión visitando lo que es la zona o la área biosaludable de esta zona de que específicamente es uno de los barrios de Barakaldo y que usted podrá disfrutar de esta manera de todas las herramientas que tienen aquí, que son herramientas totalmente útiles para todas las edades. No importa su edad, puede venir a compartir con sus familiares, con sus niños, con sus amigos, hasta con su abuelo, más con su tatarabuelo si está vivo, tráigalo. Y si tiene facilidad de moverse, pues aquí tendrá la movilidad necesaria y podrá utilizar todas estas herramientas que están específicamente elaboradas para que el cuerpo tenga una mejor movilidad. Así usted tiene su cuerpo en forma y además puede compartir una vida más saludable. El nombre lo dice, Área Biosaludable, donde no hay nada electrónico, nada mecánico, todo es manual y usted tiene que hacerlo totalmente usted. Le invitamos que visite este lugar y que no olvide suscribirse a nuestro canal de YouTube, denle like, activen la campanita y sobre todo compartan nuestro contenido, que es sumamente clasificación A para todas las edades. Aquí andamos con John, que está por aquí conmigo, ya lo vieron ahí de modelo, es mi modelo en el día de hoy. Ahora vamos a seguir caminando toda esta zona hasta donde llegamos. Así que John, hasta luego. Ahí lo ven.
¿Cómo vamos a seguir caminando? Eso córtalo.
Córtalo. Chao. Hasta luego. No te grabes.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
No creo yo que tú puedas. Vamos en este, a ver. Dame este. 14. Y para mayores, más de 14. O 14 y más puede ser. A ver, pon.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try
Y tenemos a John haciendo lo que son unos... ¿Cómo se llama esto? Una barriga, ¿cómo? A ver cómo se llama, John. Shit. Haciendo abdominales. Ahí lo vemos. Vamos, John. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I
9,
work hard or live at my pace? You're only young one, yeah, that's all great. But I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life.
Bueno, aquí podemos ver todas las herramientas que se pueden utilizar en lo que es esta área biosaludable de la ciudad de Barakaldo, cerquita de Urban, vuelvo y repito. Aquí podemos ver, miren, banco de remo, bicicleta eléctrica, banco de abdominales, bicicleta, una bicicleta también tenemos. Aquí también podemos encontrar caminar en el aire, ahí está en euskera, para los que saben euskera, pues ya no tengo que decirlo. Aquí tenemos lo que es una presa dorsal y pectoral, aquí lo pueden ver. Así que si usted quiere aprender, venga para acá, dele para acá.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my